Welcome back, Roadforge family. Today we're diving into a car that's both a throwback and a future-forward marvel, the TWR Supercat. This is the ultimate blend of old-school endurance racer and modern grand tourer. Under that beautiful long hood, you'll find a 5.6-liter supercharged V12 engine cranking out 651 horsepower and 538 lp-ft of torque. This beast is designed to offer the power of a supermarine Spitfire combined with the refinement of a true luxury tourer. The Supercat is limited to just 88 hand-built examples, each crafted in the UK, and it's set to make waves with enthusiasts who crave both speed and style. What's even better? It carries with it a legacy of racing glory, tracing its roots back to the iconic XJS of the 1980s and the legendary victories at Le Mans, with Jaguar's partnership with TWR. We're talking a 6-speed manual transmission, carbon fiber bodywork, and tube frame construction that merges heritage with cutting-edge technology. It's not just a car, it's an experience, offering that visceral connection between driver and machine, all while paying homage to the race-winning Jaguar XJR9. From its unmistakable design, contributed by the talents of Khyzyl Saleem and Magnus, to its meticulously crafted details, the TWR Supercat is the Jaguar enthusiasts have been waiting for in these uncertain times. Is it the modern-day sports car we need, or a rare piece of automotive nostalgia? Stick around because we'll get into everything about this rare supercar. And remember, only 88 of these will ever be made, so get ready to see something truly special.